How to remove shorts from YouTube feed. What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can remove shorts from your YouTube feed. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing you want to do is open up your YouTube and make sure that you are logged into your account. And as you can see, as I scroll through my feed, I get suggested these shorts. So if you don't want them, then what you can do is hide these shorts for a certain period of time. If you tap on the three lines right here and then tap on not interested, these kind of shorts will not be recommended to you. And you could do the same thing for all of these four. And once you have done that, what you can do is go down and do the same for other stuff. What you can also do is tap on the three lines right besides the short and then tap on show fewer shorts. So it will be hidden from your home screen. And if you want to undo this, tap on undo and you will be good to go. So if I just refresh my page and as I scroll down, as you can see, the shorts are not recommended to me anymore on my home screen. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.